Hi everyone. I just wanted to go over a few of the area of a circle questions. At first, I thought that this would be somewhat of a simple assignment given the fact that you're essentially just using a formula, but I didn't realize that there were a few things that Khan incorporated that may have posed some difficulty. So, the first thing that you have to know is that for the area of a circle formula, you always have to use pi r squared. So it's always a equals pi r squared. So you always need to know the radius. So in this case, you're starting to find the area of a circle with a diameter of 4. You need to know the radius, and we know that the radius is half the diameter. So like if you had a circle and the diameter was 4, the whole thing was 4, half of that would be a radius. So half of this would just be this piece, which is 2. So you're using 2 as the radius. So when you find the area, it says a equals pi times 2 squared, which is 4 pi. So you could enter your answer as 4 pi, or it says to use 3.14 times pi as pi. So you could say 4 times 3.14, which is, let's see, 1 second. 4 times 3.14, which would be 12.56. So you get either 12.56, or you could say 4 pi. I would just leave your answer as 4 pi. All right, another one that I wanted to look at was where they gave you the circumference and you were asked to find the area. So let's find one like this. This is another diameter question. Um, Here, this one. So this one says, and find the area of a circle with a circumference of 18.84 units. So this one you had to do two different things. First, you needed to use the circumference formula, which is c equals 2 pi r. I would not use c equals 2 pi, c equals pi times diameter here, because you need the radius. So there's no point of finding the diameter. So first we need to figure out what the radius is using this formula. So this is our c value, or our circumference. So I would divide by 2 pi to solve for r. So your radius is going to be 18.84 divided by 2 pi, so 18.84 divided by 2 times pi is about, it's like 2.998. It's about that. So now we're going to use this radius in the area formula. So we know the area formula is a equals pi r squared. So it'd be a equals pi times 2.998 squared. And let's see what that is. And times pi again. It's roughly 28 point, it says 2456, so 28.25 units squared. Yeah, so they gave you credit for either 28.26 or 28.25. And also for 9 pi. So this person left it in terms of pi, which is also okay. So what this person said was that instead of this being 2.998, they rounded to 3. So they said a equals pi times 3 squared, which is 9 pi. So that would also be acceptable in this case. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions. I think these were the two most challenging types of questions that appeared on this exercise. Yeah, let me know, and good luck.